Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Fundrise affiliate links for real estate investing content step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fundrise account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate section in the main menu. Here, you will find information about the affiliate program. Read through the terms and conditions to ensure you understand the requirements. After reviewing, click on the Join button to become an affiliate. You will receive a confirmation email. Follow the link in that email to activate your affiliate account. Once activated, return to the affiliate section of your account. You will see your unique affiliate link displayed prominently on the page. Copy this link by clicking the Copy button next to it. Next, decide where you want to use this affiliate link in your content. If you're creating a blog post or video, consider the best placement for maximum visibility. Paste your affiliate link in the desired location within your content. Ensure that the link is embedded correctly for easy access. You might also want to create a call to action encouraging your audience to click the link. Keep track of your performance metrics provided in the affiliate section. This will help you understand what's working and what needs adjustment. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and engaging. Consider sharing your content on social media platforms for broader reach. Monitor your earnings and engagement to optimize your strategy continuously. By following these steps, you'll effectively configure your Fundrise affiliate links for your real estate investing content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.